How's it going, guys? I'm out here in my beautiful garage in Colorado right now, and it's a nice day. You know, I got a couple bikes back there, a lot of other junk too in this garage right now, but you got to check this out. We have a 2006 Yamaha WR250F, and this video is just strictly a walk around. This is for people that are looking at these bikes. What do they have? What do they look like? What should they expect? This thing is pretty cherry. You can see it has the aftermarket Cherbis tank, which I think is like 3.2 gallon. You can see that's how it goes on. Different fuel cap, I was told. There's the skid plate down here. It even came with current OHV tags, at least until the end of March here. Just has a Kinda K270 front tire and rear tire. We're going to be changing those out. And these videos just kind of help you if you got one of these bikes and you're wondering like where things go. You can look at the video and hopefully figure it out. You can see the fasteners. That's how the radiator looks. I also have a Unibiker radiator brace. Got new tires. The fork seals do need to be replaced. You can see, got that kit. Obviously all the fluids need to be changed. I did find one other thing while walking around pulling it out. This hose doesn't have a clamp, and so you wiggle it and fuel starts coming out. You go too far that way, then that side is too short. So the guy put too short of a line in here. Who knows if these are fuel grade? I happen to have fuel grade one, so we'll replace them. We'll put some clamps on. Maybe I'll put a inline filter in this. This bike is like 234 pounds or something. The air filter, you get to that right here. Here, let's do it on video. We can do something simple like this just to show. Haven't opened it up, so don't know how it looks. Nice and clean. So we got a new one, but that one looks good, assuming it has stuff on it. Doesn't have much goop. Probably change it out and then clean that one and put better goop on it. And then this just kind of bend it down to get around the seat, probably the bigger tank. And I'm doing this with one hand. So we'll just call that good. Doing it with one hand on camera is not going to work, but that's how that setup works. The guy said this runs really good. It does start up. Sprockets aren't too bad. Who knows about the chain? Might be okay for now. It is a titled bike, so it is plated. Well, it can be plated because it's titled here in Colorado, so he custom made this, which I thought was kind of cool. It makes noise when you're riding, but what a good idea for a plate, you know, so you don't bend them. And he just has it up there like that. The exhaust. Probably will need to make sure this has a spark arrestor in it. Seat's pretty hard, but it works. And so, starting procedure on this bike, the guy put a key in. So let's see where it's at. The key's right here. So it was off, that's on. Then you press that. It's in neutral. Oh, starter's on this side, kill is on that side. This is the horn. Oh, probably need to turn the fuel back on. So I got that off. It's cold and I'm not twisting, so let's see. The choke, if you need the choke, he said is right there. You can just pull that. There we go. Okay. The headlight's nothing to rave about. That can always be changed though. But pretty much a stock bike. So there we have it, a WR250F, and it's not my bike. You guys probably thought it was my bike. This is not replacing my bikes. I'm sure I'll get to ride it, but it's actually the FLB Club's bike for his son. I'm sure he's going to be riding it in videos. But he's over in Afghanistan right now, so go check out his channel in the description, the FLB Club. He has a few videos out there. But I'll be kind of fixing this up, doing the oil change, doing the forks, doing the brake lines, replacing that hose that would come undone on the trail and cause a leak, and that would be a pain in the butt, right? So just get it tidied up, make sure it works good, and he'll have a good bike for his son. So you guys take care. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.